Good day to you coders, and thank you for supporting us on Project Collaborate. In this video, we'll be discussing how to install jGrasp. jGrasp is an IDE that allows you to write and compile Java code. So the first thing you need to do in order to get jGrasp is go to jgrasp.org. And if you do that, you'll be met with this page. And so what you want to find is a button that says download jGrasp. So if you press download jGrasp, you'll go to this page, and with this page, if you just scroll down a little bit, you'll find all these versions of jGrasp. The one that you want to find is the one that says bundled with OpenJDK 14. And so as long as it's bundled with some type of OpenJDK, it doesn't really matter if it's 14, it can be 13, it can be 15 if there is a 15 at the time. But at the time of this recording, it's bundled with OpenJDK 14. And so what you want to find is the correct installation for your operating system. I'm on Windows, so I'll be using this first button, but if you're on Mac OS, you can use the second one, and if you're on Linux, then you can use the third one. So if I just press the first one, that will start the download, and if you just look down here, you'll see there's a little download that's an installer. And so I'm on Chrome right now, so it comes down here. If you're on Firefox, you might it might be different, or if you're on like Microsoft Edge or something, it'll be different. But I'll be back once this is done downloading. So now it's done installing, so I'll just press on this. So if you're on Windows, you'll get a prompt. I'm not sure if you can see it in the recording, but there will be a prompt that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? And all you have to do is just press yes. And then a little box will pop up that says, please wait while your setup is loading, and it'll unpack the data that's actually inside of the installer. And once that's done, you'll get a little pop-up, and it'll just tell you how to go through the setup. And so just press next. And then there'll be a little agreement. You guys can read this on your own time, but I'm just going to press I agree. And then there'll be a box with the things that you want to install, and so make sure your core files are checked, and then your desktop shortcut is also checked. And then I'll just press next. And then you can set your destination folder, so this will be where you want it installed. I'm going to go ahead and keep it in my program files, but you can change that to a custom location. And then there's some shortcuts, and just don't worry about these shortcuts for now. We won't really be needing them. And you can just press next. And then here you'll want to make sure all of your extensions are actually checked, and then just press install. And once that's done, you can just press finish. And in order to load jGrasp, I'm just going to go ahead and search it up, and you'll see jGrasp is right here. I'll go ahead and press enter. And then jGrasp should be loading like this. And so I already actually have a Hello World program loaded up, and so in order to test if jGrasp is actually working, I'll just press run. And just like that, jGrasp is working because Hello World is printed. If you guys have any questions, you guys can leave a comment down below or join our Discord server, and thank you for watching.